Installing the cabinet. Remove the cabinet pallets. Mark the mounting holes based on the marking off template. Drill holes and install expansion sleeves. Hoist the cabinet. Secure the cabinet. Open the cabinet door. Add a hose to the cable that is installed in the cabinet. Cut a cable hole in the cabinet. Connect one end of the ground cable to the cabinet ground bar. Connect the other end to the site ground bar. Confirm that the screws are tightened and mark them in blue.